In this video today, I'm going to share the story of a grandmother who felt forgotten. She thought her family had forgotten about her until a simple surprise proved her wrong. But without wasting much time, let's just go straight into this video. But if you're seeing my face on your screen for the first time, my name is Choice, a gift curator and a surprise planner. On this channel, we help people create unforgettable moments through thoughtful gifts and surprises that strengthen relationships, spread kindness, and make people feel truly valued. Subscribe for more amazing tutorials and more gift ideas to grow love at home. As she grew older, the visit became less frequent and the call became shorter. The house became quiet. She never complained, but loneliness slowly settled into her heart. Guess what? One weekend, our grandchildren arrived with a simple surprise package. Inside the gift package were handwritten letters sharing their favorite memories with her. Guess what? She read every letter slowly, laughing, crying, and smiling for an hour. The gift cost very little, yet it reminded her that she has made a lasting impact on the people she loves. And sometimes, the most meaningful gifts are not things. They are reminders that you will never be forgotten. Send a package to your loved ones today and watch love grow at home. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.